The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has launched its survey on corruption. The survey places the Ministry of Interior at the top of the list of the most corrupt ministries.
People perceive us as not being serious. That's an issue of perception, and we can't stop people having particular types of perception. What we'll do is we're going to go ahead, we'll implement our, and hopefully with that, the results that then emerge will show that it's not perception of being not serious, that in fact the results show there is a new resolve that we are going to be fighting corruption effectively. Fight against corruption is not a one-day event. This is a long-term initiative. What we want to make sure is that we are consistent in the direction we take as we fight this vice. We're laying the foundations, and with doing that also, along the way, there are going to be achievements. And I think you'll be seeing that there are achievements that you can report about, the milestones in the public domain.